Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to share a question JEE Advanced 2021. The topic is projectile motion. If you see carefully, the question is a projectile is thrown from a point O on the ground at an angle 45 from the vertical and with a speed 5 root 2 meter per second. The projectile is at the highest point of its trajectory split into two equal parts. One part falls vertically down to the ground 0.5 second after the splitting. The other part t second after the splitting falls to ground at a distance x meter from the point. Oh, so if we draw diagram, the question is something like this. There is a projectile and maybe you can take one bomb, and at the highest point it's split into two part. The one part is coming down directly and the other part is taking projectile path and it is falling at point say P, which is x distance away from the O. Initially projectile picks up velocity 5 root 2 and it is making 45 degree with the vertical, so it is also going to be 45 degree. If you see at the topmost point, it's split into two part. The part which is coming directly down, it is taking time 0.5 second. So the other part also going to take 0.5 second to reach up to the ground. But still, if you want to calculate time period, then we can use this formula. T is equal to 2h by g. G is the maximum height. So how to calculate maximum height achieved by the projectile? That is u square sine square theta by 2g. U is 5 root 2 whole square and sine square 45. If you put all the values and calculate it, you are going to get h as 5 by 4 meter. So you can put this height here and 2 into 5 by 4 g10. So this is going to be 1 by 2, that is 0.5 second. So the part which is following parabolic path, it will take 0.5 second to reach to the ground. So you can use this logically also. No need to calculate all this. The second part is you have to calculate this distance x. See guys, here we are going to use the concept of center of mass. When there is splitting of the object, center of mass will be undeterred from the splitting and it will follow the normal path. If the particle doesn't split here, it will reach up to this point and this will be the range. So when there is splitting, two parts will follow different path, but the center of mass of these two parts will follow the normal path and it will come here. So RCM is equal to R. So center of mass R, we can write the formula M1 R1 M2 R2 upon M1 plus M2. The range for this we need to calculate normal using formula range for the full projectile, that is u square sine 2 theta by g. If you put all the values, you will get the answer 5 meter. So we can put 5 here. M1 both split into equal parts, so M R1 here it is 5 by 2 and M2 is M. R2, that is x, we need to calculate, and 2m is equal to 5. Taking m common, it can be cut. So this is going to be 5 by 2 plus x. 2 will be cross multiplied here 10. X is equal to 10 minus 5 by 2, that is 15 by 2, that is 7.5 meters. So this is the question from JEE Advanced 2021 projectile motion. Thank you.